Alaikum. This is part 2 of week 7 assignment of mathematics for class 7. Part 1 is too long, so I have made another video for you on the topic of factorization. Example number 2 is x square plus x minus 6. First, you multiply 6 with the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Then factorize 6. Factors of 6 are 2 and 3. You choose those tables that are gone on 6, like 1 into 6 is equal to 6, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. First, you multiplied 6 into 1, then you choose those numbers within the factorization whose subtraction is 1. When two numbers are subtracted, then result will be 1. So 3 and minus 2 are the numbers whose result is 1. Plus is assigned with the greater number and minus is assigned with the smaller number. As I already said that if this situation occurs like x square plus x minus 6, then you choose plus n1 and minus n2. Sign with the greater number because it reverse processes plus x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. First two terms are collectively and 3x minus 6 are collectively termed as is equal to x into x minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 2. X will be common from first two terms and 3 will be common from third and fourth term. So x minus 2 will again common and it remains x plus 3. So x plus 3 into x minus 2 is the answer. You can see on the right side n1 and n2 are the two numbers. When we add n1 and n2, result is plus 1, n1 into n2 minus 6, and x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. The result will be x minus 2 into x plus 3. Example number 3 is 3x square plus 4x minus 15. First, you multiplied 15 into 3, then result is 45. Then you choose two numbers in the factorization whose subtraction is 4. When you subtract two numbers whose answer is 4, so you count the table up to 45, like 3 into 15 is equal to 45, 1 into 45 is equal to 45, 5 into 3 is equal to 45, 4 into 5 is equal to 45. When you 9 into 5 is equal to 45. When you subtract 9 and 5, you will get 4. So I have already said that if this situation occurs like ax square plus bx minus c, then you choose two numbers minus n1 and plus n1, but sign will be assigned with the greater number plus because there is plus 4x, and sign will assign minus with the smallest number. 3x square plus 9 minus 5 into x minus 15. X will be multiplied by 9 and x is also multiplied by 5. 3x square plus 9x minus 5x minus 15. First two terms are arranged and third and fourth term are arranged with each other. So 3x will be you can take 3x common from first two terms, then it remains x plus 3, and 5 minus 5 common from x plus 3, and if when you take minus 5 common, then sign will also be changed within the bracket, minus into minus plus, so it remains x plus 3. So you can again take common x plus 3. So when you take x plus 3 common, then remaining terms 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 into x plus 3 is the answer. Example number 4 is x square minus 2x minus 15. First you multiplied 15 with the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. Then factorize 15. 1 into 15 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. And 5 into 3 is equal to 15. You take two numbers whose product is 15, and when you subtract two numbers, the result will be 2. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, or is equal to 2. So x square plus 3 minus 5 into x minus 15. You will assign minus with 5 because you have to get minus 2. Sign will be minus sign will be assigned with the greater number because you have to left with minus 2. So plus 3 and minus 2 will give us minus 2. X square plus 3x minus 5x minus 15. Two terms will be collected with each other, and 5x minus 15 will combine each other, and x will be common. X plus 3 minus 5 will be common from third and fourth term, and when you take minus 5 common, then sign will also be changed. X plus 3, so x plus 3 is also taking common, so it remains x minus 5. So x minus 5 and x plus 3 is the answer. Equation example 5 is x square minus 11x plus 24. So first of all you multiplied 24 with the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1, so 24 into 1 is equal to 24. Then factorize 24. 1 into 24 is equal to 24. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. And 4 into 6 is equal to 24. You choose those two numbers whose product is 24 and whose when you add 8 and 3 you will get 11. So I have already said that x square minus when you face the situation like x square ax square minus bx plus c, then you have to choose minus n1 and minus n2. So minus 8 and minus 3 are the numbers whose addition, when you added these two numbers, you will get minus 11 is equal to x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 24. First two terms are combined and second two terms are combined. Take x from first two terms, then it remains x minus 8, and minus 3 common from 3 and 4 term, and we will get x minus 8. So x minus 8 will be common from this expression, and we are left with x minus 3. So x minus 8 into x minus 3 is the answer. Example number 6 is 8x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 8x square plus minus 10 plus 12 into x minus 15. First of all you multiplied 15 into 8. The answer will be 120. You choose two numbers whose product is 12, and when you minus two numbers, subtract two numbers, then result will be plus 2. After factorization 12, 10 and 12 are the pairs, are the two numbers from which we will get the desired result, like minus 10 plus 12. 8x square minus 10x plus 12x minus 15. 2x will be common from first two terms and 3 will be common from third and fourth term. Then you will get the answer 2x plus 3 into 4x minus 5. Students, you must remember that 4x minus 5 will remain same in both two terms. Otherwise the solution will not be correct. And second thing is, I have written some cases, some rules. You must follow these rules, N1 and N2 rules. So if you understand these rules, then you can solve these questions. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to solve these questions. These rules are so easy if you understand these rules. I hope you will get all my points. Please calm down and focus on your studies. It will not be difficult for you if you understand these questions easily. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.